Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to our everyday forecast for major cryptocurrencies, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Monero. Today we look at charts of these cryptocurrencies and also review some news that influence on this field. So, my friends, please plus us in our chart that everything is alright, picture, volume, sound, etc. One moment. Okay. So I begin with overall survey of cryptocurrencies world and economic world. Of course, the big influence on the cryptocurrencies goes from pandemic, from coronavirus, because coronavirus make dangerous the fiat money, and people prefer to use electronic money as Visa, as Swift card, and cryptocurrencies. Of course, this impressive jump of cryptocurrencies is due with this world pandemic problem. So we saw new heights in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and I shall start with chart of American index, because if American index is growing, cryptocurrencies often go down, and reversal. If we'll see that American index has a downward movement, we can predict that cryptocurrencies go upside. Okay, let's look at chart of American index, so-called DXY. Here we are. Here we see a quite reliable upward movement. This is a trend line for American index, but from yesterday we'll see that some downward correction began, and now the question is what's the line will be stronger, this resistance line or this support trend line. Oh, sorry, one moment, I'll choose the most powerful tool. Yeah, this value color. What I mean, if from this resistance and from this pivot level the price could breaking through this trend line, it means that a downward correction will be stronger up to this and even these levels. If this scenario will activate it, activated, cryptocurrencies of course goes uptrend. But if trend line could support the price of this zone and American index will go to new heights, in this case cryptocurrencies begin downward correction. Okay, so now the main question: what's the line or support line or resistance will be stronger? What will win? So we have two scenarios. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, etc., you prefer this scenario or downward correction of American dollar. Yes, American dollar is completed, so we can move forward and watch our main cryptocurrencies. We'll start with Bitcoin. Oh, my friends, I forgot to look at our chart. So big salute to Oleg Kovalov. I very appreciate that you always see and watch our webinars and with active participants in dialogue, in conversation. So thank you very much. Okay. In Bitcoin, in our previous webinar, I marked 3 trend lines. This is inner trend line. Then the price got some acceleration and even more, one acceleration. If I don't mistake, we made our previous survey, our previous forecast when the price was at this level. So I told you that we watch for this current trend line or acceleration line, and if we'll see reversal pattern. I remind you that I use reversal pattern, so-called 1, 2, 3 or zigzag. I'll show you 1, 2, 3. In the market, some traders name this pattern as two heights. Yes. This is a good reversal pattern. So if you'll see that current trend line is breaking down, and this formation could overwhelm the nearest support point. We are waiting for breaking down of this line, rebound the price, and then we open sell positions. The target, first target is the distance from bottom to high, this one. Now the question is, could this next trend line, first acceleration trend line, support the price? And I also mark this support zone. From this level we can renew our height. So if we want to see the continuing movement, it is necessary not to overwhelm this zone, not to break in this zone. So now we'll see that the price did a correction. Now we mark this high, and if the price could breaking through this level, we are waiting for rebound and open sell or buy positions. First target will be these heights. It's 40,000, 41,000, and the next one, I forgot. Sorry, my friends. Okay, I look at further targets a little bit later. Now we just remember that the key point will be these heights, these current heights, and if the price could demolish this high, we are waiting for a rebound and open buy positions. Or if you are not a trader, if you are an investor, you just buy new Bitcoin. But of course, friends, you must remember about disclaimer that our forecast is not a guide for action. For I don't tell you go to a Binance and buy Bitcoins on your whole wallet. Not. Please be patient. Of course, we have some prognosis, some forecast, but it's just my point of view. It's not a point of view of Bitcoin. Okay, I think that's enough for disclaimer. This is a pattern for buy positions. Sell trades will be actual if price no one moment, my friend. Good, breaking through this trend line, this support zone. So if this scenario will be activated, our target zone for sell positions, for check your sell positions and some fixation will be 27,000 and something, etc. Okay, I mark it. Something like this. And this zone is quite good to see and to watch for behavior of the big players. What I mean, that if we'll see the reversal pattern from this zone with deleting this resistance line, open as new buy trades. So now let's make some communique. Quite a good zone for buy, for new buys. for Bitcoin. This is 27.05. Because this correction could be continued. We can see ABC correction, and this zone is very interesting. If we'll see reversal pattern, if resistance line will be broken, we can arrange new buy trades until this level, 35 and a half, and even up to this level. Okay, now I make a screenshot. I uploaded a little bit later my screenshots in Twitter and Instagram, so my friends, you can watch and make some commentaries about this. I will be appreciated. Yeah, this is the first cryptocurrency. The second one is a Ripple. I'm a modest Ripple holder. I buy a Ripple quite. Oh no. Something about $1 and etc. Something about this. But now the price is very cheaper because of trial procedure that initiated by American regulator, so-called CEQ, or SEC. The trial will arrange in the date of something in 20th of February, and I think we have to wait until some answer will be get. If this a good answer for Ripple, if American regulator would satisfy the measures that Ripple offer them, it could push this cryptocurrency very high. But if American regulator could make some restrictions on Ripple, this is a big question about further destiny of this pair. But it's a question of the future. Now we'll see the next. The next picture. Price could make foothold on this trend line. So I think we can try to continue our upward movement because of this trend line and because pivot level is above the price, so it serves as support. Okay, and now I see the further picture, the further development of actions. Quite good resistance zone is on this stage. It's something about 36 cents for one Ripple. So if you if you arrange buys of Ripple, I recommend you fix some of your position when the price is near of this zone. As for negative scenario, it can be adopted if the price could break through the trend line, the pivot level. We can review a continuing downward movement until these two levels, until 23 cents. But until the price is above the trend line and pivot level, the main scenario is bullish. So I make a print screen for Ripple and move forward. Sorry. The next one is Ethereum. The picture very similar to a Ripple, but the price is not similar. The Ripple is the Ethereum is much coster than Ripple, and the owner and the developer of Ethereum, this is a Russian guy, became milliardaire, dollars milliardaire, a billionaire, okay. I forgot. Yeah, Vitalik Buterin, of course. Oleg, yes, move down in Bitcoin looks like it's third waves only, and the first move up looks impulsive, so I suppose price will go up to break the highs. Yeah. Oleg confirmed this that the current movement is a away correction, so the next wave will be impulsive wave, and let's suppose that price will go up to break new heights. Thank you. Okay, and our next sorry, I forgot to make a prediction about Ethereum. Very similar scenario. The first target will be here. It's 1200. This is a resistance number 1, resistance number 2, and this is a historical high. And the resistance number 3 will be at a price of 1476. This is a new heights for this cryptocurrency. What's about selling? Sell positions would be actual only if the price could overwhelm this trend line. Until the price is above, the main scenario will be bullish, and the main route will be on the north. So I make screenshot for Ethereum. My friends, watch our webinar. You can write in comments what's the cryptocurrency is interesting for you, not in our forecast list. Maybe some other cryptocurrency, maybe Dash, maybe Tron, or etc. If you are interested, write in commentary, and in our next webinar I look at this cryptocurrency and make some prediction for you. Okay, and our last but not the least cryptocurrency, this is a Monero. In our previous webinar, I marked quite a good zone for buy positions, and we'll see that the price make the second rebound to this trend line and could break in through this resistance. So the reaction will be very impressive. I'll be very grateful. About $40. Now a movement very aggressive, so it is necessary to wait for some holding of the price, because here I see quite popular figure in financial market. This is a triangle, and it is necessary to wait that the line will be more powerful, this support line or with resistance. Of course, quite good buy zone will be here. Oh, no. Okay, this one. Because here we'll see the confluence of two signals. This is a trend line and support. And if the price could break through the resistance line, make rebound, we can arrange our buy positions. The other variant, the other option will be here. If the price could make foothold on the pivot level and overwhelm this resistance. The scenario will be the same, but the zone is a little bit different. So I see these two zones as the most interesting for open new buys. Okay, make a screenshot. In our chart, everything is alright. So my friend, thank you very much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel, make notifications on, and of course I very appreciate your likes and your commentaries below the video. See you next time. Sincerely yours, Oleg.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.